Hello, myself Sonal Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one topic, that is Lakshya Web cities creation. In this city creation, basically we are talking about one software company who actually is from Vadodara city, and this basically we have already discussed. Canada basically have given the business. This is also basically business, right? Basically, and how basically the BJP and Congress also basically done the business by giving trouble to Sunil Nair basically. And this group basically, that is BJP and Congress basically, they only knows how to give the trouble basically. Lots of people says that basically they are good people basically. But see basically Sunil Nair story, see basically. They have given, they have basically not actually left the single point basically where basically the trouble was not given. So this was BJP government and Congress government basically sitting at the Parliament House. They only gives basically they only knows to give the trouble. And in this basically Sunil Nair is the one of the story basically, which was basically the trouble given by the this group basically. This is this group and this is, and they basically has fired lots of Sansad also basically. So see basically up to what level these groups are basically connected, because they have the power basically, na, that is USA. See basically USA can just within second basically they can finish the entire India basically. Why? Because they have got the earthquake power basically. This group basically are so powerful that basically they can finish the entire blood cells basically just within second basically. These groups are so powerful in technical basically that they can shut down the entire software companies basically. And these groups are basically very powerful basically in creating the incidents basically. For example, if you want to do any bomb blast basically in any of the country basically, they can basically easily do. How basically that basically need to check basically how they are basically so powerful basically, because they might be connected with each and every software companies, basically they might be connected with each and every nuclear power company also. So in this basically I introduce Russian country basically, because this country basically is connected with this also. Why? Because this group basically can't do anything without this group basically, that is this is connected with the nuclear group, and this group basically are how basically that we have already discussed. So this group basically single basically they can't do anything without this group basically. So this group and this group are connected. So that's why basically the BJP and Congress government are so powerful basically. Because why basically? That's why basically they rejected Sunil Nair basically. Reason this, they have many groups basically. See basically this powerful group basically are created long before basically. Long before basically Congress has created this whole group basically. Lots of people say that Russian group basically are connected with the Bollywood industry also basically. How basically, I will just check it basically how they are connected with. That basically there is no information of this basically in Bollywood, in Google also basically. So there might be some relation basically. We can't say exactly basically, because until basically we don't have any proof basically, that we can't say anything basically. So but there might be some relation basically between this and this basically, this group basically. There might be some relation. Otherwise basically how they are helping basically, that is the main thing basically. And without this group basically This group can't do anything without this group basically. Why? Because these groups only have the nuclear power control basically. So you can just imagine the connect. So not a single country basically can do anything. Single basically the India single basically country can't do everything basically. This group basically can't do anything basically without this group. This group basically can't do anything without this and this group basically. And this group can't do anything without this group and this group basically. And this basically group is also connected with this group, because this group have told basically Sunil Iyer is rejected on the basis of this group only, na basically. This group, because they have power basically. This group is basically connect Gujarati. So BJP Narendra Modi is also Gujarati. Like this Gujarati connection basically is there. So like this basically, because Sunil Nair is poor person basically, can't do anything basically. So entire Gujarati basically started attacking Sunil Nair basically, because he can't do anything, na basically. He is Sunil Nair, so poor people basically, poor person basically. What he can do anything? He can't do anything basically. So all Gujaratis basically started attacking Sunil Nair basically. After this person basically rejected, Sunil Nair basically. So this group basically, he is also Gujarati. This group basically, this group basically, this group, like this all group basically, this group all started attacking Sunil Nair basically. Why? That basically I also don't know why they are attacking. So just imagine basically one software company, small software company, 4 to 5 people working, they connected this. So you can just imagine the power of this person basically. The power of this person basically, who is connected to BJP, who is connected with the Congress, and this group basically connected to this group. That is small incidents basically. That Sunil Nair is rejected from the Chennai group. But in real basically they have not sent the resume to Chennai only basically. That was the question basically. If you verify basically in this thing basically, I am 100% sure basically they have not sent the resume to Chennai group basically. I am 100% telling you. This group basically unnecessary came into picture basically, and this partner basically might be knowing or not basically, I don't know, because he is getting used like this basically, Chennai group, and due to the Chennai, this company basically, entire Chennai basically suffered. So that is basically different thing basically, and entire Chennai basically might not be one basically, or basically might possible that basically entire Chennai basically and entire Vadodara has become one basically, on the basis of this person's rejection basically. He rejected Sunil Nair, so entire Vadodara also rejected. So like this, the Canadian group basically given the business to this particular Vadodara, this company basically. That means entire, because in Canada lots of Gujaratis are there basically. On the basis of the Gujarati basically he started doing. So it's a Gujarati union basically, that also you can say basically. Gujaratis union basically. So that is different topic, that is not our topic basically. But this basically can create problem in big future basically. Anything basically can happen basically. That's why. So like this basically, BJP, Congress, Russia, Canada, Singapore, all basically supported this person basically. That's by default basically. Rejected, that means they have supported. So like this basically you can just imagine this thing basically, that is 11 divided earthquake basically. And incidents basically are created by this group and this group basically, and this both group are connected directly basically. And how basically, that we have already discussed basically. And cyber cell basically groups basically are connected with each and every PC basically through the log file, and nowadays basically they have converted log files equal to computers basically. Single people basically are sitting at the computer and watching each and every people's laptops, each and every computers, what actually they are doing. So sitting at the computer also basically nowadays basically PAP ho gaya basically. PAP means, you can say, what to say basically, something basically wrong we have done by sitting in the laptop computers basically. That might be some incidents basically might have happened basically, that basically 100% this group might have created this group basically, and these groups are almost Gujarati groups. In next video basically we are going to see.